going to talk to you about the toroidal propeller. I was working on another program developing ionic propulsion for
decades, the aviation and maritime industries have struggled with one daunting issue: the deafening roar of traditional propellers. But what if there was a game-changing breakthrough that could render this issue obsolete? Imagine a propeller that could dramatically reduce noise pollution, while simultaneously boosting efficiency by over 200%. What if this revolutionary design could be the key to quieter skies, flying cars, and even cleaner oceans? Hold on tight as we reveal how a $500 million supersonic propeller could revolutionize the world of aviation, marine transport, and beyond. This isn't just science fiction. It's a very real technology that could change everything. The propeller that could silence the skies. Propellers have been the backbone of aviation and marine transport for over a century. But for just as long, they've been plagued by a glaring issue: noise. Every time a plane takes off or a boat accelerates, the propeller whines and roars, sending vibrations and sound waves that can be heard miles away. The real culprit behind this noise? Tip vortices, the turbulent spirals of air that form at the tips of propeller blades. These vortices create significant pressure waves that generate the high-pitched whine we're all familiar with, often leading to noise pollution and potential hearing loss. The $500 million supersonic propeller designed by MIT's engineers tackles this issue head-on. By eliminating the traditional blade tips, it changes how the air interacts with the propeller, creating a smooth, efficient airflow. Instead of the usual destructive vortices, this donut-shaped blade creates a vortex ring, a closed loop of air that gently pulls air through the center of the blade. This innovation not only makes the propeller quieter, but also significantly reduces fuel consumption. It's like comparing the subtle hum of a breeze to the roar of a jet engine. Imagine cities without the constant drone of overhead aircraft. Could this be the answer to urban noise pollution? As tests have shown, this new design can operate at lower speeds and with greater thrust than traditional propellers, all while drastically reducing the intensity of sound. The result? A quieter, smoother, and more energy-efficient propeller that could change the aviation and maritime industries forever. The implications are enormous. Fewer complaints from residents near airports, less noise in city centers, and even the possibility of flying cars that don't disrupt the tranquility of urban environments. Could this propeller be the key to solving not only the aviation industry's noise problems, but also ushering in a new era of transportation? The future of quiet skies might be closer than you think. The $500 million investment in this propeller may seem steep, but the potential savings in fuel, noise reduction, and efficiency gains far outweigh the initial costs. Imagine the billions of dollars saved in reduced fuel consumption and fewer restrictions on flight times. Airports might no longer have to shut down during the night, and air taxis could finally become a practical, everyday mode of transport. The key to unlocking these possibilities is right here, in the form of a propeller that's both powerful and nearly silent. Can this propeller truly revolutionize aviation? Or is it just another fad in a long history of next big things that fail to deliver? The potential is huge, but the challenge is even greater. Will this new propeller design survive the testing and approval process required for widespread adoption? And will it be able to replace the entrenched, noisy technology that has dominated aviation and marine transport for over a century? This isn't just about cutting-edge engineering. It's about changing the future of transportation as we know it. Can this radical design make its way from the drawing board into the skies? The answers may surprise you. No more noise. Urban air mobility, or UAM, is an emerging sector that promises to revolutionize how we think about city transportation. Imagine a world where you can hail an air taxi just like you would an Uber, zipping over traffic jams and reaching your destination in minutes. However, there's one major roadblock: noise. The thought of having hundreds of drones and flying cars buzzing above cities creates an immediate concern. How can we maintain a peaceful, quiet urban environment while introducing this new form of transportation? The answer may lie in the $500 million supersonic propeller. This propeller design is poised to be the game-changer for UAM. Traditional propellers produce noise that not only disturbs residents, but also violates noise ordinances. With the supersonic propeller's unique toroidal design, the noise level is significantly reduced, creating a far more acceptable sound profile for urban environments. As the demand for air taxis and delivery drones increases, this propeller could become the standard for quieter, more efficient urban air transportation. The implications are staggering. Think of the convenience of flying taxis that don't disrupt your daily routine or noise-restricted flight paths. An entire new industry without the usual headaches. Furthermore, with urban cities becoming increasingly congested, urban air mobility could become a vital lifeline for quick, affordable travel. However, if it's to succeed, it must address concerns like noise pollution, something that the $500 million supersonic propeller promises to do. With this innovation, the skies could become quieter, safer, and more accessible to the public. The dream of air taxis could be within reach, and we could see these vehicles operating daily without the constant complaints from city dwellers. Could this be the propeller that transforms our cities into futuristic hubs of transportation? It's hard to imagine a world without it. With the rapid growth of drone technology, the aviation industry has already faced scrutiny for the noise caused by unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. These UAVs are tasked with everything from package deliveries to agricultural monitoring. Still, their loud propellers have been a major deterrent in widespread adoption. The $500 million supersonic propeller promises to change that, making UAVs much more viable in urban settings. The key to a successful urban air mobility program is noise management, and this propeller could be the answer we've all been waiting for. Can it truly quiet the skies and allow us to embrace the future of transportation? The potential is certainly there, but will the public and the aviation authorities embrace this innovation? Could this propeller be the answer to solving the growing concerns of air traffic in cities? Or will we continue to struggle with the noise as drones and flying cars become more widespread? One thing is certain, as cities become more crowded, the $500 million supersonic propeller could hold the key to making urban air mobility a reality, breaking the sound barrier. At first glance, the toroidal propeller may seem like a simple design innovation, but it's anything but ordinary. The true brilliance of this technology lies in its ability to defy the conventional rules of aerodynamics while dramatically improving performance. Engineers have long sought ways to make propellers quieter and more efficient, but the toroidal design goes beyond merely reducing noise. By reducing aerodynamic drag and eliminating the tip vortices that cause turbulent airflow, the toroidal propeller has demonstrated a significant increase in performance compared to traditional designs. One of the key ways that toroidal propellers achieve this superior performance is by reducing the need for high rotational speeds to generate thrust. Traditional propellers must spin rapidly to produce enough lift, which places enormous stress on the engine and mechanical components. In contrast, the toroidal propeller generates thrust at slower speeds, reducing engine wear and improving fuel efficiency. This means that aircraft and marine vehicles equipped with toroidal propellers require less power to achieve the same level of performance, leading to lower fuel consumption, extended equipment life, and reduced operating costs. The efficiency gains provided by toroidal propellers are not just theoretical. They've been demonstrated in real-world applications. Tests on commercial drones and boats have shown up to a 20% increase in fuel efficiency when equipped with toroidal propellers. This translates to fewer emissions, lower operating costs, and a significant reduction in environmental impact. For industries like aviation, where fuel costs are a major expense, the adoption of toroidal propellers could lead to major cost savings. Moreover, as the global demand for sustainable transportation continues to grow, the efficiency improvements of toroidal propellers make them an appealing solution for both commercial and military applications. In addition to fuel savings, toroidal propellers offer impressive gains in maneuverability and stability. Unlike traditional propellers, which create chaotic vortices at the tips of the blades, the toroidal design produces a smoother, more controlled airflow. This leads to better stability during flight or navigation, reducing the risk of turbulence and allowing for smoother turns and more precise control. For drones operating in tight urban environments or boats navigating narrow channels, this enhanced control could make all the difference in ensuring safe, efficient operation. With toroidal propellers, engineers have cracked the code for improving both the environmental and performance aspects of propulsion technology. By reducing fuel consumption, improving stability, and lowering noise pollution, this innovation is positioned to transform a wide range of industries. From aviation to marine transportation, the toroidal propeller is paving the way for a future where efficiency, sustainability, and performance go hand in hand. With this breakthrough, the sky and the sea are the limits. New frontiers in marine transportation. The potential for the toroidal propeller extends far beyond aviation, and its impact on marine transportation is equally profound. Traditional boat propellers have long struggled with inefficiency, leading to significant fuel waste and unnecessary noise. The revolutionary toroidal propeller eliminates these issues with its unique design, creating a more efficient propulsion system. Researchers have discovered that the toroidal propeller's closed-loop structure is not only quieter, but also offers superior grip in water, leading to impressive performance gains. Unlike traditional designs, which generate significant turbulence, the toroidal propeller smooths out the flow of water, creating a more organized wake and reducing drag. In marine applications, efficiency is key. Boats and ships typically face high fuel costs, and the introduction of a more efficient propeller can dramatically reduce operational expenses. The toroidal propeller's ability to operate with less energy while producing the same amount of thrust has led to fuel savings of up to 30%, making it an attractive option for commercial shipping companies. This fuel efficiency boost is especially important in an era where sustainability and reduced emissions are increasingly prioritized. The toroidal design promises to lower fuel consumption, contributing to a greener maritime industry that meets environmental standards. The structural benefits of the toroidal propeller also contribute to its marine success. The design's increased stiffness means less vibration, which reduces wear and tear on engines and other mechanical components. This is a major advantage for marine vessels, which are often exposed to challenging conditions, such as saltwater corrosion and debris that can cause damage. By minimizing vibrations and improving durability, toroidal propellers offer a longer service life, lowering maintenance costs for operators. This reliability is crucial for both commercial and military applications, where downtime is costly and unpredictable. Furthermore, the quiet operation of toroidal propellers is a game-changer for marine environments. Just as in aviation, noise pollution is a significant concern for the marine industry, particularly in coastal areas where boat traffic is dense. Traditional boat propellers create loud, disruptive sounds that can harm marine wildlife and disturb local communities. With the toroidal propeller's significantly reduced noise levels, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about aquatic transportation. Its ability to operate silently could be a major boon for ecotourism, naval operations, and other activities in sensitive coastal regions. The future of marine transportation could see widespread adoption of toroidal propellers as the benefits become more apparent. As manufacturers continue to refine the technology and overcome the initial costs of production, the widespread use of these quieter, more efficient propellers could redefine the marine industry. Whether it's for commercial shipping, military use, or recreational boating, toroidal propellers could unlock a new era of sustainability and efficiency in marine transportation. As this technology evolves, it's only a matter of time before it becomes the standard in both air and sea transport. Efficiency meets quiet operation. When it comes to aviation, efficiency is everything. Fuel costs make up a significant portion of an airline's operating budget, and every ounce of fuel saved translates directly to lower costs. But beyond the financial savings, fuel efficiency has significant environmental implications. The aviation industry is under increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, and innovations that improve fuel efficiency are crucial to meeting sustainability goals. The $500 million supersonic propeller could be the breakthrough that the industry has been waiting for. What makes the pedal propeller so unique is its ability to operate at lower speeds while maintaining thrust comparable to traditional propellers. This means that aircraft using pedal propellers would require less energy to fly, resulting in lower fuel consumption and a smaller carbon footprint. With fuel prices soaring and environmental concerns reaching a fever pitch, the aviation industry needs to embrace technologies that can help cut costs and reduce environmental impact. The supersonic propeller achieves both of these goals. But the real surprise comes when you consider how it accomplishes this feat. Traditional propellers lose a significant amount of energy to noise production. The louder the noise, the more energy is being wasted. By reducing the noise produced by the propeller, the pedal design ensures that more energy goes into generating thrust rather than sound. This simple yet groundbreaking principle has the potential to revolutionize how we think about energy usage in aviation. This is where the $500 million investment becomes truly justified. Not only does this propeller design save money, but it also holds the potential to make aviation significantly more sustainable. But the journey toward adopting the pedal propeller hasn't been without its hurdles. There are questions of scalability, cost, and integration with existing aircraft. However, early test results have been overwhelmingly positive, showing that the propeller not only works efficiently, but can be scaled to fit a wide range of applications, from small drones to commercial airliners. Could this be the beginning of a new era in aviation, where efficiency, sustainability, and noise reduction all coexist? Only time will tell if this breakthrough technology will become the norm across the skies. One of the most compelling aspects of the pedal propeller is its ability to reduce fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. In fact, the technology promises to make flying more affordable and sustainable without requiring passengers to compromise on speed or comfort. This could be the key to making the future of aviation greener and more cost-effective. So, how soon could we see the pedal propeller in mainstream use? And could it be the solution to the aviation industry's biggest challenges? From drones to ships, the toroidal propeller's impact is not confined to any single industry. Its design is versatile enough to transform a variety of sectors, from small drones to large cargo ships. As technology continues to evolve, toroidal propellers are being tested across numerous applications with promising results. For drones, the quieter operation and reduced energy consumption make toroidal propellers a perfect fit for delivery services, surveillance, and other commercial applications. As drone usage skyrockets, this quieter, more efficient propeller is the key to making aerial delivery a reality without disturbing city life. For the maritime industry, the benefits of toroidal propellers are equally compelling. Shipping companies are under increasing pressure to reduce fuel costs and carbon emissions, and the introduction of toroidal technology could be a game changer. These propellers reduce fuel consumption while maintaining or even increasing thrust, offering a more cost-effective and sustainable solution for the shipping industry. As a result, there's growing interest in adapting toroidal technology for large vessels, with early tests showing promising improvements in fuel efficiency and a reduction in operating costs. The versatility of the toroidal design extends to its adaptability to various vehicle sizes and types. Thanks to advancements in 3D printing and precision manufacturing, toroidal propellers can be customized to meet the specific needs of any application. For example, smaller drones require lightweight, high-thrust designs, while larger commercial aircraft demand durable, high-performance propellers that can withstand heavy loads and long flights. Toroidal propellers can be fine-tuned for each specific requirement, making them a highly adaptable solution for a wide range of transportation needs. As the potential applications for toroidal propellers continue to expand, the technology's impact on both commercial and military sectors cannot be overstated. In the defense industry, quieter and more efficient aircraft are always in high demand, and toroidal propellers offer a clear advantage in both stealth operations and fuel efficiency. The military's interest in this technology has already led to discussions about integrating it into future aircraft designs, where reduced noise and increased operational range could provide significant tactical benefits. With each passing year, the reach of the toroidal propeller continues to expand, transforming industries, reducing environmental impact, and paving the way for a future where efficiency and sustainability are paramount. As we continue to innovate and explore new uses for this groundbreaking design, it's clear that the toroidal propeller is not just changing the way we travel, it's changing the world. Impact on marine vessels. It's not just the aviation industry that stands to benefit from the $500 million supersonic propeller. Marine vessels are set for a transformation as well. Traditional boat propellers are plagued by many of the same issues as aircraft propellers: noise, inefficiency, and wear and tear. Whether it's a cargo ship or a personal boat, propellers are the driving force behind these vessels. But they come with a hefty environmental and financial price tag. Could the supersonic propeller be the answer to solving the issues that have plagued the marine industry for decades? Marine tests on the pedal propeller have already yielded impressive results. In fact, they show a dramatic 205% increase in efficiency compared to traditional boat propellers. This means that vessels using pedal propellers could travel farther on the same amount of fuel, drastically reducing operational costs and environmental impact. In a world that is becoming increasingly concerned with sustainability, the pedal propeller could help the marine industry significantly cut down on carbon emissions while providing a more efficient and cost-effective propulsion system. The benefits of the pedal propeller don't end at efficiency. The design also significantly reduces the noise generated by boats, which is particularly important for protecting marine life. High-intensity noise from boats and ships can disrupt the natural behavior of marine animals, particularly those that rely on sound for navigation and communication. The pedal propeller's quieter operation could reduce these harmful impacts, making it an attractive option for environmentally conscious shipping companies and recreational boat owners alike. So, what does this mean for the future of marine transport? With a growing focus on sustainability and noise reduction, the pedal propeller could become the standard for all vessels, from cargo ships to recreational boats. Could this breakthrough technology make oceans quieter, more efficient, and more sustainable for years to come? As more manufacturers adopt this new technology, we might just be on the verge of a revolution in the marine industry. With the benefits so clear, why aren't we seeing the pedal propeller on every boat? The answer lies in the manufacturing process and scalability of this technology. Will manufacturers be able to meet the demand for such a specialized product? Or will the cost of production slow down widespread adoption? What happens when these revolutionary propellers start powering entire fleets of ships and boats? The future of marine propulsion looks set to change forever. The green revolution in transportation. As we continue to face the climate crisis, every sector of the transportation industry is under pressure to reduce its carbon footprint. From electric cars to hydrogen fuel cells, the world is searching for cleaner, more sustainable ways to move people and goods. The aviation and maritime industries, both major contributors to global emissions, are no exception. But what if there was a way to drastically reduce emissions without sacrificing efficiency or performance? The $500 million supersonic propeller offers just that. The key to this groundbreaking propeller design is its ability to minimize energy waste. Traditional propellers are incredibly inefficient, wasting a significant amount of energy in the form of noise and turbulence. By eliminating these inefficiencies, the pedal propeller maximizes the thrust generated by the engine, reducing the amount of fuel needed to operate the vehicle. In simple terms, it's a more energy-efficient way of propelling vehicles, whether in the air or on the water. And with fuel efficiency directly tied to reduced emissions, this propeller could be a major player in helping industries reach their environmental goals. Early testing has already shown remarkable results. Aircraft using pedal propellers have demonstrated a noticeable decrease in fuel consumption and a reduction in carbon emissions. Likewise, marine vessels are experiencing similar improvements in fuel efficiency, with the added benefit of quieter operation. These performance gains aren't just theoretical, they've been proven in real-world applications. And as the world's focus continues to shift towards sustainability, technologies like the pedal propeller could become the cornerstone of the transportation revolution. What's more, the pedal propeller doesn't just offer environmental benefits, it could also help reduce operating costs for companies. In industries where fuel costs make up a significant portion of operating expenses, the energy savings provided by pedal propellers could translate into billions of dollars in savings. Whether it's for commercial airlines, shipping companies, or military vessels, the economic advantages of this propeller design are too significant to ignore. Can this innovation be the key to a sustainable and cost-effective future in transportation? As we look to the future, the pedal propeller is poised to be at the forefront of the green transportation revolution. Whether in aviation, maritime, or even autonomous drones, this design holds the promise of a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient future. But with any groundbreaking technology, the question remains, will the world embrace it, and how long will it take for this innovation to become a standard? The answer lies in the road ahead, and it's an exciting one. Breaking through the wall of traditional manufacturing. One of the biggest challenges with any new technology is scaling up production. When you introduce a revolutionary new design, the first obstacle isn't necessarily the concept. It's getting it into the hands of manufacturers who can mass produce it. In the case of the pedal propeller, this challenge is even more pronounced. Due to its intricate design, producing these propellers requires specialized machinery and advanced manufacturing techniques that aren't found in every workshop. So, what's being done to overcome these challenges? Manufacturing the pedal propeller isn't as simple as stamping out a traditional blade. The precision required to create the perfect toroidal shape is something that can only be achieved through advanced computer-controlled machining and 3D printing techniques. These advanced methods allow manufacturers to create propellers that are not only highly efficient, but also customizable to fit a variety of applications. This precision and customization make pedal propellers an ideal choice for everything from small drones to large cargo vessels. But the road to mass production has been anything but smooth. As it stands, manufacturing pedal propellers remains costly. The process requires highly skilled technicians, specialized machinery, and a significant investment in time and resources. But companies are beginning to invest heavily in streamlining production methods, working to bring the cost down and increase scalability. This is essential if the technology is to be adopted widely and integrated into the mainstream transportation systems of tomorrow. The question is, how soon will the pedal propeller be available on a large scale? Will we see these propellers powering drones, planes, and ships in the next few years? Or will it take longer to achieve widespread adoption? In the meantime, the future of manufacturing for the pedal propeller is bright. Companies like Luber Aerosystems are already working to refine and optimize production processes, lowering the costs associated with making these propellers. Once mass production is achieved, we could see the pedal propeller take over entire industries, providing not just quieter and more efficient transport, but also contributing to the reduction of global carbon emissions. This shift could have profound implications for the future of transportation, changing the way we think about travel forever. Can the pedal propeller overcome these manufacturing hurdles? Will the technology be able to meet the demand for the widespread adoption that is expected in the coming years? The future of this innovative design depends on the answer to these questions, and the road to production is just beginning. How fast will the pedal propeller change the world? As we move into the future, one thing is certain: change is coming. With the pedal propeller's potential to reduce noise, improve efficiency, and make a substantial environmental impact, the technology is poised to revolutionize not just the aviation and maritime industries, but the entire transportation sector. But as with any new innovation, the big question remains: how quickly will the world embrace it? Will the pedal propeller become the standard for all types of transportation, or will traditional designs continue to dominate? The journey from groundbreaking technology to widespread adoption is never easy. Regulatory bodies like the FAA and the EPA need to approve this new technology, and that process takes time. However, given the increasing emphasis on sustainability and noise reduction, it's likely that these authorities will fast-track their approval process. The pedal propeller could very well become the next big leap forward in transportation technology, helping to solve two of the biggest problems facing modern transport: fuel consumption and noise pollution. As early testing continues to yield impressive results, it's clear that the pedal propeller's advantages go far beyond just noise reduction. From improved fuel efficiency to better performance across a variety of conditions, this technology could have far-reaching effects on industries across the globe. But it's not just about performance. the pedal propeller also has the potential to create a more sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation system, one that can help reduce global carbon emissions and help us move toward a greener future. So, when will we see the pedal propeller change the world? Will the aviation, maritime and drone industries fully embrace it? Or will legacy systems continue to hold sway? The clock is ticking, and the future is bright for this revolutionary technology. The question is, how long will it take before the world fully realizes the potential of the pedal propeller? And when can we expect to see it reshaping our skies and oceans forever? One thing is for sure, the revolution has already begun, and it's only a matter of time before the world takes notice. As we've explored, the toroidal propeller is more than just a game changer, it's a complete revolution in the making. From transforming how we navigate the skies to changing how we move across oceans, its potential is boundless. With less noise, better efficiency, and greater sustainability, it's clear that this innovation will redefine the future of transportation. The world is moving towards a new era of travel, and the toroidal propeller could very well be at the helm. But the question remains, will it take over the industry, or will there be new innovations to outpace it? Stay tuned as this exciting technological journey continues to unfold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. What do you think the future holds for this incredible breakthrough?